In this video, we're going to discuss system pages and system emails. A system page is any page that automatically comes up when Business Catalyst needs to give information to the user. Like if a site visitor goes to a page that doesn't exist, they will see a 404 page not found. Fortunately, Business Catalyst makes it easy to customize these messages. Under Site Manager, click System Pages. Now here is a list of all the system pages on our site. In our last video, we discussed secure zones. Under General, you will see a list for a secure zone unauthorized. If you watched the last video, you'll notice that this looks very familiar. We're going to take a look at the front end of our site and navigate over to Account. And this is the system page that we're looking at. Now, if we go back to the admin and make a change to the text, let's say log in and hit save, and we go back to our front end and hit refresh, we'll see that this system page changed. So that is how a systems page works, but we also can do the same thing with system emails. When a site visitor submits a form in Business Catalyst, there is often a corresponding email that is sent to them. For example, if a user forgets their password, they may use the password retrieval method. Their password would be sent to them via email. We have the ability to change the copy in that email. So let's click Password Retrieval Email. And you may notice that there are data tags here. We discussed data tags in a previous video, but basically they are the way you bring data into whatever you are working on. In this case, it's the copy of the email that will be sent out. Let's make a quick change to this email so you can see how it works. Let's say we think this is too formal. So right now it would say, Dear Scott Reynolds, if this was being sent to me, because the data tag is recipient name. But let's say we want to make it a little bit less formal. And we'll say hi, and instead of tag recipient name, which will output my entire name, let's put a tag that only does the first name. So now when I receive the email, instead of saying Dear Scott Reynolds, it will say Hi Scott. And that's how you change a system email. I'm going to hit save. And now if I were to retrieve my password, this is the copy I would get. And if I wanted to restore it to how it originally was, I just click the Restore to Default, and it goes back to the way it was. So as you can see, you have full control over your Business Catalyst site, including the system pages and the system emails.